Hello and welcome to Coffee with Carey. The other day I happened to be in a restroom, a public restroom, and there was a woman adjusting her bra straps. And I said to her, you know, I read somewhere that if your bra straps keep sliding off, it doesn't mean you have to tighten your straps, it means you have to tighten the back. And she was surprised, as I was when I read that. I want to tell you a little bit about that, along with some extra tips and tricks about having the right bra. So stick around and we will talk about brasiers, as my mother likes to call them. I don't know if you're new here, but I'm Carey, and this channel was created for myself and other women who are 50 and over so that we could commune here together and discuss things as they apply to being a woman in our 50s and beyond. And it's a channel meant to engage. It's not my intention to talk to you and hear nothing back from you. So please, if you think of something while you're listening to me talk and you want to share it, please, I encourage you to leave a comment down below. Also, while you're poking around there, subscribe, hit that ring bell button so that you're notified when I upload another video that you may be interested in. Let's get started here. I wanted to tell you a little bit about the fit of a bra, how to determine what size, because I've done some research. One of the cool tips that I learned was when putting the bra on after I snap it, to lean forward, let all of your flesh come forward and fill the cups. And then when you stand up, you'll notice that the back of your bra is much smoother. So for someone who has a little more flesh on their torso, as my body type does, that's been a life changer for me. It really does kind of make everything look a lot smoother. So that's something I wanted to share with you. The other thing is, my mom was wearing a bra the other day, and I said, we need to go bra shopping because this is just wrong. Your breasts are supposed to hit at a certain place on your body when you're wearing a bra. And that place would be, if you were to take your shoulder and bend at the elbow, hands by your side, right in the center between the crook of your elbow and your shoulder is where your breasts should be. Hers were not. So she didn't need to hike me up because the back of her bra was doing the pull-up. She needs a new bra. We're gonna go shopping. And I do have a favorite that I will share with you, and I'm gonna grab it for you in just a minute. Also, a helpful hint that I've learned is that sometimes we buy a bra and we don't pay attention to which clasp we are using to start with. The clasp you are supposed to use with a brand new bra is the loosest of the clasps, if it's got 2 or 3 adjustments that you can make. The loosest one is where you start, and as the bra elastic loses its elasticity as it gets older and it's washed, you will then go to the next tighter one, and that way it will maintain its original fit through the 3 clasps as it starts to stretch out and age, as a bra does, like we do. Purchase it so that it fits on the very loosest of the clasps, and then you'll be in good shape. If your bra is doing what my mother's was in riding up in the center of her back, she did not need to loosen her straps. She needed to buy a smaller bra. I'm going to give you the formula for buying a bra in the correct size to begin with, because I've wrote it down because I'm going to be taking it with when I take mom bra shopping. So the way to measure for a bra is to measure your torso, under your breasts, around your back, and where the base of the bra would sit. And if that measurement is an odd number, you add 5 inches to that inch measurement, the odd inch measurement. And if it's an even number, you add 4 inches to that number. Therefore, if your back measures a 32, when you round up to the nearest whole number, you would add 4 inches to 32, you would need a 36-inch bra. The second measurement is measuring around the fullest part of the breast, and you can do that with a thin bra on, and because you're trying to measure the widest part of your chest. Now, when you get that measurement, what you want to do is subtract the bandwidth measurement you just took from this number. And there are corresponding cup sizes that will be determined by that difference in that measurement. For instance, if there's 0 difference, then you're a double A. If there is a 3-inch difference between the breast measurement and the back measurement, you are a C, and so forth. And I will put that little chart down below in my comment section so you can check that out. Check your current bras, or take that, put that note in your phone so you can do your own measurements. Do you know, I used to go to a bra shop when I was getting some of my first bras. My mom took me to a woman's corset shop or a bra shop where the ladies come into the dressing room and they're pulling on you and they got their tape measures and they're going crazy and they come in with a bunch of bras to show you. And that was an experience. But I haven't done that in years, but I know how to measure myself now. So now you do too. Also, a final tip would be if you are currently wearing, for instance, a size 34C and you need to go up a size. You would not go to a 36C or a 34D. You would go up the band size. So you would go from the 34 to a 36, but you would come down in a cup size and do a 36B. So 34C and you need more room, you go 36B. That is what they recommend. And now you know that too. My final tip, my little treasure here, is this bra here that I wanted to share with you. I searched high and low for this bra. I had one from years, I don't know, 4 years ago, and I couldn't find it anywhere. What I love about this bra is that it has 3 snaps, snaps in the back, and then you go. We start on the loosest one because this one's brand new. It still has the tags on it. I got 2 in the black, 1 in the beige, and we're nude, and I'm all set. 3 clasps, and a thicker band in the back, which makes it lie really, really smooth for me, who has a little bit carries my extra weight in my torso. So I love the way that the back is built. I'm hoping that you can see that. It's very smoothing. There you go. And this is made by Warner's, and it's the part of the Cloud 9 collection. Let me read to you what it says. Oh, I don't have my glasses on. They're usually there. This says, super soft fabric that feels light as a cloud, back smoothing panels for a sleek look under clothes, totally does, and especially if you do that lean forward maneuver. Convenient front adjustable straps, that's true, it has the adjustment for the straps on the front, so you don't need to be reaching around or having to ask somebody else to do that for you. And full coverage cups prevent spillover. You know, sometimes if you put a t-shirt on and you see that you've got extra at the top, you need a larger cup. And in case you have that concave issue where there's extra room in the top of the cup, you're in a cup size that's too big. And this one's really, really nice and smoothing. So this is, let's see here. It says Cloud 9, and this was marked at $40. I'm going to find it for you and put it down in my comment section in case you are interested. I hope you enjoyed my bra recommendation and that you learned something about bra shopping and the numbers that go along with that. My brain practically shut off in the middle of it because as soon as you start talking numbers, I can get that, where I just totally zone out the minute I hear a couple numbers in a row. Didn't happen though. Good, because I wanted to share that with you. I hope that you will subscribe to my channel and hit that ring bell button so that you are notified every time I upload a video. That would be swell. This channel is all about comments. Please leave me a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, tips, anything that you know about selecting a bra that you can share with anybody else watching this video. That would be great too, so please do that. I really, really appreciate you stopping by to see what I wanted to share and talk about today, and I look forward to the next time. Have a good one.